Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how can you stop stuttering of Fortnite. I'll show you how you can do this so you can stop having any stuttering in Fortnite, and it's going to help you. So there's multiple things we're going to do outside of Fortnite, and then I'll tell you one recommended thing you could do in Fortnite. So first of all, I want you to open the control panel. Now, once you open the control panel, okay, you have to go to something called, you have to change this to large icons, okay? Once you change this to large icons, you're going to go something called power options. Now, once you're in power options, you need to make sure, now this is going to be balanced for you, okay? Now, basically, when it's balanced, I need to change this from balanced to high performance, okay? Once you change this to high performance, now this is one thing you're going to do. It's going to really help you boost your performance, okay? Now, the next thing we could do is then open the NVIDIA control panel, okay? And once we're in the NVIDIA control panel, we're going to go to adjust image settings preview, okay? Once you open this, it's going to be something called let 3D application decide. You're going to change this to something called use my preference emphasizing, and then make sure this is on performance. Once you make it on performance, make sure when make sure, of course, you apply the changes. Okay. Once you apply the changes, make sure you go on to adjust desktop size and position. Okay, and make sure this is on the highest resolution you want on the favorite resolution, and make sure your monitor refresh rate is on the highest end. This is going to help you really much of stuttering. Now, once you've done this for the processor and for the graphics driver, make sure also all the background things are actually off, okay? And actually turning off your Windows Defender could actually help you. So yeah, these are some things you're going to do in Fortnite. Now, if the problem still proceeds with you, one thing you could do is basically turning on performance mode. If you turn on performance mode, it is going to definitely and massively help you with the stuttering issues, and then it's going to work for you, hopefully. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.